Sai Ram. Hearty welcome to Sri Sathya Sai Lok Seva Gurukulam free online classes on the topic comparing quantities. That we started our lesson with the term called ratio, where two identical quantities are compared, like heights, weights, and then marks scored, cricket scores, all those things. And the ratio can also be expressed in terms of percentages. Suppose you say the ratio is 1:2. You can write it in the fraction form as 1/2, and is also equal to 1/2 into 100. That is how you write in percentages, 50%. So we can express in percentages also, and also we have seen in a business sometimes there will be increase in the rates and sometimes there will be decrease in the rates, and that increase and decrease will be told in terms of percent. Even marks also. In the previous test the mark is 45. If it increases to 54, we say 9 marks is improved out of 45. So 9 out of 45 into 100 we make. That is called increase percentage. So we say about 20%. So 20% of marks is improved from the previous test, we say. Similarly, decrease also same way. If the marks which are scored in mathematics is say 80, the next year you have scored about 70, let us suppose, then there will be decrease of 10 marks for 70. So for 100 how much? So that is called as decrease. So increase or decrease of percentage also we have seen. Then there will be discounts, especially in festival time like Deepavali, Dasara and all. They will give discounts, about 10% discount, 15% discount, 20% discount and all. And sometimes they put in the entrance only of the shops. Okay, Diwali offer they say. And also you have seen in a business there will be profit, sometimes loss, usually profit only, but sometimes loss also incurs, especially vegetables, fruits and all, the rates come down, will be at loss. And many factory goods, many of the items will always have profit, usually a margin of 10%. So for buying and selling of goods, there will be profit and loss. So these are the things we have already studied in the previous class. Also cost price, selling price we have studied about. For example, a pen may, the cost price of this say is 8 rupees, and if it is sold for 10 rupees, that is called as profit. So 2 rupees profit. For 8 rupees, the 2 rupees profit, how much percentage? And say 8 rupees, let us suppose the cost of a pen is 8 rupees. It is being sold to 10 rupees, that is called selling price. And there will be what is called as profit, say 2 rupees. For 8 rupees, there is 2 rupees profit. For 100, how much? That is called percentage profit. 2 ones are, 2 fours are, 4 ones are, 4 25s are. So 25% profit. The same way there will be loss also. If the cost price is more than the selling price, then there will be loss. Correct? So profit means selling price minus cost price. Profit is equal to selling price, we call it as SP minus CP, and loss means usually it will not happen, but under special circumstances it may happen. If the cost price minus selling price, that will be the loss. Similarly, if you convert into 100, it becomes percent profit or percent loss. So these are the things we have studied in the previous class. Okay, now let us see the home assignments. First question, the cost of an article was rupees 15,500, and so we start like this. Solution, and this article 450 rupees were spent on its repairs. This is called additional, and it is sold for 15% profit. Find the selling price, they are telling. So first is cost price. Cost price of the article is equal to rupees 15,500. So amount spent, on repairs. What repairs you will have? Because they will pack and send it. For example, TV, computers, or sewing machine, this, that. They will be putting in a cotton box and sending it. So while it delivered, no, there will be some damage. So it will be set right. So that is what is called repair. Amount spent on repairs, rupees 450. So now what happens to selling price now? So total cost price. Total cost price, we call it as CP. CP means cost price. So 15,500 plus 450. So 5 plus 4 is 9. 15,950. That is the cost price. Now the businessman want to make 15%. So profit is equal to 15%. How to calculate profit? For 100 rupees it is 15. For 19,950, how much is the profit? So 0, 0 cancels. 5 2s are 5 3s are, and this will be equal to 3 5s are 15, 3 9s are 27, plus 1 28, 3 5s are 15 plus 2 17, 3 1s are 3 plus 2, 3 1s are 3 plus 1 4 by 2. Correct? Yeah, that will be equal to 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 18, 2 9s are 18, 2 2s are 0.5. So 2,392.5. So that is 15%. Okay, and then now this is to be added. They are asking selling price. SP we call it. Selling price, we call it as SP. How to do it? That is cost price plus profit. How much is cost price? This is the cost price, 15,950. So add these two. It will be 0.5. Then 2, 9 plus 4 is 14. 18,342.5. So much of rupees. So what you have done? 15,950 is the cost price, plus profit is 2,392.5. Added 0.5 as it is to 14, 13, 18. So 18,342.5 rupees. Understood? So what you have done? First you added these two. That is the cost price. So this is the total cost price, because there is some expenses for repairs. Now he want to make profit of 15%, and that is comes to 2,392.5. Then you added that, you got this. Okay. Shall we go to next problem? Okay. Next problem, VCR and TV are brought. So this is TV. There are so many companies like Sony, Samsung, correct? You know many of them. So this may be like Samsung. This is called VCR. What is VCR? Video CD recorder, video cassette recorder. Earlier that Ramayana Mahabharata serial were coming in this VCR. Nowadays it is not there. They are outdated. But earlier it was there. So here there are two items. One is VCR. This is VCR. This is TV. Were brought rupees 8,000 each. So this is 8,000. That is 8,000. Shopkeeper made a loss of 4% on VCR. He got 4% loss and 8% profit on TV. And totally they are asking find the gain or loss percent of the whole transaction. Here there is loss, here there is profit. Okay, we will work out. First, overall cost price of the TV and VCR, 8,000 into 2, 16,000. Then you have loss on VCR, 4%. And therefore, selling price of VCR. So 4% means 4 into 100 into, we are telling about VCR, that is 8,000. Correct? So these two zeros will cancel. You have got 320 rupees. That is a loss. So loss means what? So VCR there is a 4% loss. So that is to be subtracted. So SP is equal to CP minus 320. CP this is 320. So this will be equal to 8,000 minus 320. That comes to 10 minus 2 is 8, 9 minus 3 is 6, and then 7,680. Correct? Correct. So that is about VCR. And TV 8% gain. So you have to find gain means you have to add it. So 8% means how much? 8 by 100 into 8,000. So 20 cancels. 8 8s are 640. 640 gain. Gain means you have to add it. CP plus gain. You can say profit. CP is 8,000 plus 640. So if you add it, you get 8,640. Noted on? Business. Some of the children have business in their home. Parents are business people. For such people, it will be interesting. They pick up very well and they will do fast also. So gain means you had added, also called as profit. Both are same. So this is what is called profit, 8%. Now totally what happens? Total SP. This is 7680 SP of VCR, TV 8640. You have to find total. And we'll add it here. 7680 and this is 8640. Add it. $16,320. So rupees 16,320. Now total CP is how much? 16,000. Now 16,320 you got by these transactions. Is it profit or loss? It is profit. So they are asking gain on the whole of transaction, that is SP minus CP. Total SP is 16,320. Total CP is 16,000. Are you following? So this will be 320 rupees. 320 rupees total gain, and therefore percentage gain they are asking. Percentage gain means what? 320 is the gain. What is the cost price? 16,000 into 100, that is called percentage. 0, 0 cancels. These ones are twos are. Totally there is a gain of 2%. Understood? What you have done? First you found the selling price of VCR. Because it is loss, you are subtracting. It came to 7,680. Then in TV 8% profit. So that is 640 rupees added to the CP, 8,640. Totally it will be, if you add these two, you get 16,320. That you write it here. So total CP is 16,000. Can write one more. Total CP of VCR and TV, rupees 16,000. So SP is 16,320, CP is 16,000. So is it gain or loss? It is gain, no? It is more. How much more? 320 rupees more. What is percentage gain means what? For 16,000, 320 is the gain. For 100, how much? That comes to 2%. Okay. So that is the home assignment. This is a 4 marks question. You have to do in 8 minutes. Correct? Okay. Now coming to today's topic. Sales tax, value added tax, goods and service tax. This is also called VAT. So there are taxes charged. Sales tax is charged, you call it a ST, by the government on the sale of an item. So this is charged by the government for any goods, not all. For daily consumption items, they are not there. Milk, fruits, vegetables, all these things, there is no tax, sales tax. It is collected by the shopkeeper from the customer and given to the government. So if whenever he writes bills, he has to show the sales tax. This is therefore always on the selling price of an item and is added to the value of the bill. Okay, that is one kind of tax. Second is value added tax, VAT, it's called VAT shortly. Another type of tax which is included in the prices. Different item carried VAT at different rates. Now both are not there. These two are cancelled now by the government. But as it is given in the syllabus, we are just mentioning it. Actually, the third one, what you call GST, it is there. The very famous one, and our central government is very particular, and lot of taxes coming to the government now. It's called GST. G means goods and services tax. From July 1st, 2017, July 1st, 2017, Government of India introduced GST. And you may ask, what happens to that tax? Where does it go? That will be used for good purposes like building bridges, building and for health problems, equipments for the health, and many things like that. So it will be used for good purposes, for railways, for transports, even for military also. So GST, which is levied on supply of goods or services, or both. Services means what? For transportation, to bring it from the railway station or from the bus station or from the goods sheds. So there will be charges. So that is what is called GST. Now presently government is charging about 18%, and the collection is also very good now. It became very strict action is being taken for those who are not showing GST. So GST is compulsory. Now let us work out simple problems on this. Okay. The cost of a TV set in showroom is rupees 36,500. The sales tax charged was 8%. Find the bill amount. So cost of TV is colored TV. Nowadays nobody uses black and white. Everybody uses colored TV, and that too advanced. So many home theaters have come now. It looks like theater only. In home only they prepare theater. Correct? And there will be some small also. So there are different varieties of TVs now. And so we shall start like this. The cost of a TV. Of a TV set. It is rupees 36,500. Of course, there are so many brands on that. Depending on the brand, it will change, vary. And the sales tax charged. Sales tax charged is 8%. How much it becomes? 8% means. So for 100 rupees, 8 rupees is the tax. For 36,500, you must see. So 0 cancels. 8 5s are 40. 8 6s are 48 plus 4. 52. 8 3s are 24 plus 5. 29. 2,920 rupees. So that is the tax. 2,920 rupees. That is the sales tax. So now bill amount. This is to be added. Therefore, bill amount means total bill. When a customer want to buy this TV, he has to give the sales tax also. So that is 36,500 is the CP. Tax is 2,920. They will mark it in the bill only. Sales tax so much. 39,420 is the bill amount. Very simple question. It is a 2-mark question. It answer in 4 minutes. Got it? Just add it. That's all. Now coming to next question. Raman brought an air cooler, especially in the summer season and also in the hot places. They use this water cooler which keeps the atmosphere cool. Here, rupees 5,400 including VAT. What is VAT? Value added tax. Come on, tell 5 times. Value added tax, 8%. Find the original price of the cooler. So we will take it as X rupees. Original tax. Original price of the cooler be X. Now 8% of X, that is 8 by 100 into X. So if you cancel 4 2s are 4 25s are 2x by 25. That is a VAT charged. So this VAT price including VAT, this is the cost price. This X is the cost price. This is the VAT. If you add it, LCM is 25 plus 2, 27x by 25. Now they are given that including VAT he has given 5,400. So 27 by 25x is equal to 5,400. What is the value of x? Okay, so how to do it? So 27x is equal to, this means 27x is equal to 5,400 into 25. Correct? Cross multiply. So x is equal to 5,400 into 25 by 27. Into 25 by 27. 27 ones are 22 twos are 200. So 25 into 200, 5,000 rupees. What is that 5,000? Original price. So answer is, therefore, original price of the cooler, that we took it as X, that is 5,000 rupees. Then if you apply it here, 8% of this, and it will come to 400 rupees, and 5,000 plus 400, 5,400, that is the price he has paid. Okay, this is how you do it. Followed? So you have to take it as X. And if you take it as X, the tax is to be added. This will be 2x by 25 to be added to the cost price. And then you get the value of the cooler as 5,000 rupees. Okay. Now we'll pass on to next problem, that is about GST. Ramu bought a suitcase for rupees 784, including GST of 12%. What is the price of the article before GST was added? So original price be 100 rupees. GST, what is GST? Goods and service tax. Correct? That will go to the government. And of course, both government will share. State government also will go, some of them will go to state government, some of them will go to central government. There is some agreement about that. Now, price after GST. GST is 12 given. If you take the original price as 100 rupees, 100 plus 12 becomes 112. I can take as X also, X plus 12 like that. So if when the selling price is 112, original price is 100 rupees. Now you are given, when the selling price is 784, what is the original price? So selling price, original price, or you can say cost price. If the cost price is 100 rupees, selling price is 112. Now you are given in question that selling price is 784. What is the cost price? Before GST they are telling. So this you cross multiply. You get 784 into 100 by 112. Correct? Suppose you multiply by 7. 7 2s are 14, 1. 7 1s are 7 plus 1, 8. So it goes 7 times. So that will equal to 700 rupees. So answer is rupees 700. Rupees 700. That is the original price. The GST charged 12%. So if you add that 12% to this, that will be 784. Correct? So this is a very beautiful question. So don't forget that, especially business people, you should know it. Okay? Very nice. Shall we go to home assignment? Noted? Okay. First question. I purchased a hair dryer. There is one device called hair dryer, not hair remover, for rupees 3,300 rupees, including 10% VAT. Find the price before VAT was added. That is the first question. Second question, an article was purchased for rupees 1239, including GST of 18%. Find the price of the article before GST was added. Okay? We will come prepared for that. Okay, now let us see what Bhagwan Baba says. In this age, students have to imbibe the 9 important qualities which are precious as 9 gems. GEMS. What are they? First one, spirit of sacrifice. Means helping nature. Are you doing it? Then humility, vidya dadati vinayam. So humility is very important. Spirit of selfless service to society. Wherever there is opportunity, for example in car festivals, there will be opportunity for Seva, giving water, giving buttermilk, this and that, guiding people. So anywhere, spirit of selfless service. Friendliness, brotherhood of man and fatherhood of God. So you should be friendly each other. Discipline, doing right thing at the right time is called discipline. Coming in time for the school and attending classes correctly, all these are disciplines. Commitment to integrity and truth. Whatever we speak, we have to act accordingly. Then love, then non-violence and faith in God. Non-violence means you should not hurt anybody by thought, word and action. Always you must be praying, Samasta Loka Sukhino Bhavantu. Most important, faith in God. Bhagwan bina koi apna nahi, Sainath bina paramatma nahi. That faith in God. These are called 9 gems. Okay? Try to note down and practice. So, finish the homeworks, come prepared for next class. Thank you.